Assalamualaikum everybody, and this is Ahmed Atik. I'm an 18-year-old person who lives in Canada, and today we are going to discuss and do some things. And first of all, थोड़ा overview देता हूँ. We are going to discuss about some previous leftover things. We are going to discuss about why the second vlog is coming out like after 6 months or जितने भी महीने हो चुके हैं. And the thing we are going to do today is, because मैं obviously फिर दोबारा वो सारा introduction vlog नहीं दे सकता, we are going to customize something which I have been meaning to do for a long time, but my university was not letting me do that. Yes, we are going to customize that bookshelf right there picture and all of my books. So before going into the details and explanations and about my childhood and my relationship with books, let's just do a quick transition. And sorry I'm speaking like this, but maybe let's just do a transition. I think I did a good job as well. So let's just do one thing कि हम लोग अपने desired काम के ऊपर लगते हैं. So the actual thing is कि why am I doing this is because books have been a really big part of my life. I have been into reading since I was a little kid, and I had no friends, and let's just not make this sad. But the thing that we are going to set up today is this. This is the sole thing जो कि मेरी मर्जी से मेरे रूम में बनी हुई है. But the thing is, no matter how hard you try to set up this thing, there will be some sort of a lunatic and frantic person here who will mess this up. And yes, I'm talking about my siblings. Don't mess this. Well, speaking about books, my whole room is full of them. Like, see, also, major flex. Here भी यहाँ भी books, and these are all my certificates, but ये इनकी कहानी किसी और. Then these are all my books and some books in this compartment too. And yes, इनमें भी होंगी obviously, because yes, I am a fucking messed up person यार. And the thing is, इनमें से काफ़ी इस तरह की books हैं जो कि मेरे बचपन की हैं, और काफ़ी सारी बुक्स हैं जो कि मैंने पढ़ी भी नहीं है, एंड काफ़ी सारी बुक है जो मेरे एंकाइड से रिलेटेड हैं, विच वी आर गोइंग टू थ्रो राइट आउट ऑफ दिस विंडो बिकॉज आई हैव टू मूव ऑन. सो लाइकवाइज एनीथिंग, देयर इज़ अ प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर टू डू दिस और टू ऑर्गेनाइज एनीथिंग यू हैव, और किस तरीके से करना है. एंड द फर्स्ट स्टेप, द ऑलवेज फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ टू आइडेंटिफाई योर प्रॉब्लम, एंड द प्रॉब्लम इन दिस केस इज़ दैट आई हैव books which needs to be categorized and put in an organized manner, and I have to collect every book I have. For that I could have done a transition and organized these books, but I thought about कि इनमें से काफ़ी इस तरह की books हैं which require a back story about my life in Dehaki and my life as a kid and something. तो मैंने कहा कि इनको थोड़े से organize करके जो book मिलती है I will tell you guys story about that. But the thing is, in सब books को organize करने के लिए there is a second step, which means you need to categorize and एक जगह पे दूसरी जगह पे मतलब उनको रखना है, that you need to place them in this order. Okay, so as the second steps come to completion, to whatever you want to say, I just want to clarify that I am pretty fucking pissed at myself because I have lost a lot of books. जिनमें से I can't even begin to explain. Diary of the Wimpy की series में, The Gone series में, and a lot of my books which should be there but they aren't, and I know where they are and I know who has taken them, but अच्छा sorry, तो just my mom just called and she said that I can't speak shit about my siblings anymore. मुझे आवाज़ आ रही है तो I'm sorry, but I can't do that when I send ass opening. So this is one of the special books because ये मेरे एक इंडोनेशियन फ्रेंड ने गिफ्ट की थी, and there is a note on it too. See it, and see, for my best Pakistan friend Ahmed Atif from Naufal. And Naufal man, if you're watching this vlog, then I'm really grateful for the book. मैं तकरीबन 3 या 4 बार पढ़ चुका हूँ वो comics, even though I'm not into comics, but I really love that. And you know, एक Diary of the Wimpy Kid School की book I gave it to Naufal at that time, जो कि मैं उधर इंडोनेशिया लेके गया हुआ था for casual reading. And I hope you still have that, and if you have that, then please send me a pic of it, और जो मैंने note तुम्हें लिख के दिया था पीछे, please do that. Let's just begin the phase 3, which is setting these books up. But the thing that I wanted to talk about before that was about the short film and everything, and I just want to say कि अभी उसमें time है, and due to some things, due to some reasons, due to some carelessness and ड्यू टू सम मेंटल ब्रेकडाउन्स वो अभी तक कंप्लीट नहीं हो पा रही, उसके एडिटिंग में काफ़ी मसले हैं, एंड अगर तक नहीं हुआ तो आई विल टेक इट अप बाय माई सेल्फ एंड आई विल कंप्लीट इट अंडर अ मंथ एंड आई विल रिलीज इट, एंड आई नीड टू गेन एन ऑडियंस बिफोर दैट. तो आई विल try to regularly upload vlogs from now on, and I will try to improve quality day by day, because now I'm the one who's editing it, now I'm the one who's doing everything. So yes, apparently that's the case. So I explained it as much as I could, and now just let's set it up. Okay, so honestly, this is all the effort that I have had to put in order to arrange my bookcase again. But let's be real for a second. The reason I do this, the reason I reset my bookshelf again and again, even though people mess it up, even though I know it will get messed up again, is that I like to revisit the books which I have read और जो कि मैं बचपन में पढ़ता था. एंड ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग एमकैट का मेरे ऊपर एक इस तरह का असर पड़ गया था कि आफ्टर जब मैंने एमकैट देना स्टार्ट किया, इफ़ यू हैव सीन ऑल दिस बुक्स में कंप्लीट एमकैट की बुक्स नहीं है विच आई हैव हैड टू रीड in order to prepare for MCAT. And when I couldn't get in, and when I have had stopped reading every kind of book just because of MCAT, so it was quite tough to get back into reading again. And अभी यही मसला होता है, we have to do university mids and assignments, and honestly speaking मेरा कल भी एक मिड है, मेरा परसों भी एक मिड है, मेरा तरसों भी एक मिड है, नहीं कल नहीं है शायद, परसों तरसों मेरे मिड्स हैं एंड क्विज़ेस भी हैं, एंड आई हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट. बट नाउ आई एम मेकिंग दिस व्लॉग एंड आई एम रिविजिटिंग दिस होल थिंग बिकॉज आई नीडेड टू रिविजिट इट. तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज the moral or what is the sense of me saying, but revisiting these memories and these things and seeing these books, and I think I need to read that again. And उनको ये सोचने के बाद this gives me comfort, this gives me motivation to do things, and completing this vlog, completing this editing is key motivation to get that yes, I'm making progress, yes, I'm doing this after all the time that I've spent being really stressed from August till this, and October was especially really tough on me. So it's kind of a major thing off of shoulders, and you know a thing which is prompting me to move forward in vlogging, in my studies, and do more hard work and more efforts in those streams. So I seriously hope that you enjoyed this vlog, and I am going to work on my editing skills. So if anything seems cringy and everything कुछ भी इस तरह का लगे तो please forgive me for that. And if you have any ideas about what should I do next, if I should read out, because there was some photo albums, there were some diaries जिनके अंदर मेरी थोड़ी सी embarrassing memories वगैरह पड़ी, and if you want to know that, then please hit me up. And I'm sorry I'm again speaking very fast, but I need to wrap this up as soon as I can, so ताकि subtitles come out and wrap, or you know what, just quit it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and please follow my Instagram if you already haven't. Allah Hafiz.